Good evening. Hi, my name is John Freddy. I study Energy de Sistemas, una Florencia. A continuación, hablaré en inglés de las vacaciones de un sitio agradable, en este caso el eje cafetero, donde fueron mis vacaciones. Entonces, empecemos. English level not 2. Last month, I went with my family on vacation. We traveled to Pereira. On Tuesday, I returned home on Saturday. We visited my sister-in-law's house. Family that were happy, sit the children, and spend time. My dream home important is to be near the people who love life withdrawn your armadic. I chat with my family, did not sit that side to year. We are going to repeat this plan next year. Yeah, we are going to repeat in the plan. In conclusion, going on vacation in the office as the word to plan. The weather in Pereira fantastic. The weather in Pereira is cool. In the morning is usually hot in the rains, but there are some cool places. We is the includes. I use try to learn Israeli. Good is it recommends to wear close to 40 wear. Thank you. Gracias.